Mismatched, broken, or non-existent cross-references take hours to fix. With Enhance, you can turn those hours into minutes, allowing you to focus on high-value work. I'm Theo, Senior Product Manager at Definely. Let me show you how it works. Enhance is a legal assistant that builds on Definely's proprietary tools built for lawyers working on complex contracts. You can draft and review contracts without losing context, leverage precedent knowledge from the DMS, and proofread contracts quickly. First, let's ask Enhance to find all the proofing issues in the contract. As it's working in real time, Enhance tells you what it's doing. Here it's telling me that it's retrieving a summary of all of the proofreading issues and grouping them by feature type and fixability. I'm most concerned with the cross-references without hyperlinks. I know they're a massive pain to fix. Enhance has found 374 mismatched, outdated, or broken cross-references in the contract, and it's asking me whether it wants me to fix them all in one go or target a subset. I'm going to ask it to fix them all. Again, Enhance explains what it's doing in real time, so you always have visibility of the amendments being made to the document as they happen. All amends will be in track changes automatically, so you can always go back and double check them afterwards. Once Enhance has completed its tasks, it rescans the document, cross-checking its work. Great! Enhance has fixed 365 of the 374 issues it's found and given me the context I need to manually correct the remaining 9. That's 365 fewer clicks of the mouse for me. And that's Enhance, the legal assistant from Definely. To learn more, visit definely.com.